Good evening and thank you for joining us. We begin tonight with news that the Ontario government is set to loosen restrictions next week. The province has been in lockdown since late December and a state of emergency is set to expire Tuesday. Cases have declined and hospitalizations are down. As Couteur reports, there may be reason for optimism.
The cancellation of Ottawa's Winterlude Festival didn't stop skaters from flocking to the famous Rideau Canal. With lockdowns across Ontario dragging into their second month, Alec LaSalle just had to come out for a skate.
A lot of people, the ice is pretty good. It's the only thing that you can do pretty much with all the people around.
There are limits though. Bylaw officers are patrolling the canal, making sure public health guidelines are respected.
Right now what we're doing is just bringing awareness, just making sure that people are socially distancing and that we don't find big gatherings right now.
Big gatherings are considered 5 or more people. And those rules will likely remain even as the province plans to ease other restrictions in certain regions this week. Global News has confirmed the Ford government is looking at a phased reopening of the economy in regions where transmission of the virus is low. Welcome news to hard-hit businesses.
Last year we've made almost no income, so we got to start picking up soon.
Still, some people are weary.
It's good to open and get the businesses going, but I don't want to see the numbers go back up.
Some health professionals say we need to stop looking at those daily case counts now that we've vaccinated the population at highest risk, reminding people the goal of the lockdowns was to take pressure off the healthcare system.
If you now have cases where you're not having as many hospitalizations, hospitals can handle that load and you don't need to restrict things in the community. I'm not saying to open up to concerts today, but I think we can open up low-risk things first, watch how things happen, monitor things, test, trace, and isolate, and we can do this safely.
Now, there is optimism, but it is being tempered somewhat. Officials are concerned about this weekend. They're worried that people will get together to watch the Super Bowl, and that could turn into many super spreader events. The government of Ontario is running these chilling ads this weekend, hoping to drive home the point that social gatherings are still dangerous. A message that could be all the more necessary even as provinces ease restrictions in order to help struggling businesses. Couteur, Global News, Ottawa.